Yeah, big up yourself. Welcome back to the viewers as well. All right. So the athlete of the year nominations have been announced, right?
Yeah.
The male nominees have been announced, but it's quite strange that the man who win the 100 meters at the Olympics has not been nominated.
Really?
Yes,
Politics?
the Italian Lamont Marcel Jacobs. Now remember, this man kind of take away himself after him win the Olympics, because
Mm-hmm.
everybody was looking at him kind of weird because he came out of nowhere and took it. All right.
Maybe he had something to hide,
Hmm?
Maybe he had something to hide. I don't know.
Some
You
people
know?
might feel so. I'm like,
Yeah.
but over here we don't speculate. You know what I mean? We don't have no evidence of anything. Him take away himself and it look away, but we leave it at that, right?
Yeah, man. It's al
So
dente.
yeah. So we're looking at this article now, and a part of it says, so they announce the nominees. He is not one of them. And we're going to pick up right here. The 27-year-old won his first and second Olympic gold medals at this year's Tokyo Olympics. Despite those achievements, he didn't receive a nomination for the award, which irked some people. With questions around his omission doing the rounds on social media, former Olympic gold medalist Michael Johnson shares his views on the Italian omission. What do you think Michael Johnson said?
I want to hear.
You know, here the man
Yeah, I
said
want
the
to hear.
history is not a mystery. Man said, I'm not shocked. Yo, if that are not shade, there's no shade.
I'm telling you.
There's the shade don't exist.
And
So here's what
it's a type of third world shade where it's 96 degrees. It's hot in the shade too.
all right. Michael Johnson thinks Lamont Marcel Jacobs missing a nomination is not a mystery. The Tokyo Olympics this year was the first time since 2004 where the men's 100-meter category did not see Usain Bolt compete. Yeah, so with names like Andre DeGrasse and Fred Curley in the mix, many wondered who would win the iconic sprint event. However, Jacobs shocked millions when he took home the gold, holding off Curley and DeGrasse in addition. All right, he became the first Italian to qualify for and win the men's 100-meter final at the Olympic Games. All right. Then he won the 4x100 relay with the Italians. All right. Now I'm gonna name out the whole team. All right. Despite his achievements, Jacobs failed to make the list of nominees, which left a fan puzzled on Twitter. All right. Johnson, a four-time Olympic gold medalist himself, answered the fans' question.
Yeah.
So Michael Johnson said, quote, don't think it's a mystery. Nominees need to show consistency, winning against major competition across the season. And for this year, you need to achieve a world record or get close to it. Tough competition for the awards this year, especially the women's side. All right. Now, can we agree or disagree with that?
Definitely agree.
You agree?
Yeah.
But no, I think I have to think about it. I can agree with them not nominating him. No, I could see them nominating him, but I don't think he would be a winner.
Okay. Oh, well, then I agree with that. But I
You know what I
can see
mean?
why.
The
Yeah.
snub for the nomination is a bit much, I think.
Um.
Two
Apart.
Olympic gold medalists, two Olympic gold medals. I know. Like, I'm not a fan of the guy. I think it's kind of fishy, the whole thing. You know what I mean?
But what
But
I mean
if you don't have
is
any
that
proof to say that he did this or that,
no? But
nominate him.
I'm sorry. I think that level of award, you need to do something more than spectacular than just win. You have to
Yeah.
be outstanding, and I don't think his performances were outstanding.
No, he won them, but let's be honest. The men sprinting at the Olympics and throughout the season weren't that great. You know what I mean?
Right.
Let's be real. So what can we say? I like how Michael put it though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well diplomatic. Well diplomatic. Him could have get the nomination like myself, but him definitely don't deserve it. Like he wouldn't be a deserved winner. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, guys, look out. We're going to come back and speak more on the topic of these nominations. All right.